Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to very easily send your files from your phone onto a Chromebook. And I'm gonna split it into two sections. The first one is gonna be for Android phones because it's gonna be a bit simpler for Android phones. So just select a file or a photo that you wanna send. I'm just gonna find something great so I can send it. Of course, by the way, your Google Photos are automatically syncing between devices if you're signed into the same Google account, so you don't have to worry about that. But if you have anything else that you want to send, let's find something. Like, for example, this little video. You can see it. If you want to send it, then feel free to click on share button. On different phones it may look differently, but here it's like that. Then select quick share. Continue. And now find the device. It's scanning and it should find it, especially if you're signed into the same Google account. But if it doesn't find it, then probably we'll try something else. It takes a moment, as I can see. So yeah, first of all, make sure that your quick share is enabled. The receiving of quick share is enabled on the Chromebook. So go to connected devices in settings, then in quick share go to setup. Now I'm gonna select it to contacts, but you could also select it just to your devices. Then you could also only send it across your devices. Now once it's enabled, it should be working. And yes, we have the Chromebook. Let's click on that. And now it should work just like AirDrop on your on a MacBook and iPhone, you know. I'm gonna open the folder and you can see we have received the video. I'm gonna play it. It doesn't necessarily work right now, but maybe it's a problem with the file, because it should be working for sure. So instead I'm just gonna try sharing a photo the same exact way, and it should appear. So yeah, it works here. So it was just a problem with the recording, maybe it was corrupted or something. But now let's try sending from iPhone, because I think that's also useful for some. So I'd recommend using a website called pairdrop.net. Now I don't know why it's in probably Spanish, but go to the same website on your phone, and if you are on the same Wi-Fi network, both devices should appear on each other's screen. But I'm not on the same network, so I'm gonna generate a QR code. Just click on this link button, and now take your phone and scan the QR code using the camera app. Now click on the link at the bottom, and you can see my devices are paired. What I should do now is, on the iPhone, I'm gonna select the device that says Chromium OS, click on that, then you can select photo library, take a photo or video now, or choose files. I'm gonna take the photo now, then I'm gonna use the photo, and now it's been sent. I'm gonna accept it and it'll get downloaded. You can see now I have it, and that's how you send files from either Android or iPhone. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.